Welcome to Homework Lib.
To calculate a 99% confidence interval for the standard deviation, we can use a chi-square distribution. So we know that the sample size is 41. First, we want to calculate the sample standard deviation, and you would not want to do this by hand. So use the data file, put it into a calculator, put it in Excel, but the standard deviation of those 41 elements is 15.99. And I'll go 15.993 to 3 decimal places. The degrees of freedom is going to be 1 less than the sample size, so that's 40. The critical value for the lower tail for chi-square with alpha of 0.01 and 40 degrees of freedom. The chi-square lower is 20.7065 and the chi-square upper is 66.7660. So the confidence interval is since it's about the standard deviation, going to be the square root of n minus 1 times the standard deviation squared over the chi-square upper, and the upper boundary would be the square root of n minus 1 times the standard deviation squared over the chi-square lower. And so, to 2 decimal places for our final, it would be the square root of 41 minus 1 times 15.993 squared over 66.766, and then the square root of 41 minus 1 times 15.993 squared over 20.7065. Alright, so our lower boundary is 12.38 to 2 places, and our upper boundary is 22.23. So we're 99% confident that the true population standard deviation of time until tumor appearance falls within this interval.